the goddess of spring hidden behind pearlized flowers watching over her jewel box.
We're pearlizing everything, including iFlex wood products, their flowers. Aren't they beautiful? We'll be using DIY paint making powders along with their paint, and including some Artisan Enhancements full size and their silver leafing. And of course, our star today is Artisan Enhancements Pearl Plaster. I'm Terry with Morning Dewdrops by Terri Stevens. Let's get started.
We're using iFlex wood products, and these wooden flowers are gorgeous. You can do anything to these products that you can with wood. Only these you can flex. For more information, check the affiliate link below and the video links that go into more details. But you just need a premium wood glue, a heat gun, or a griddle. There are so many ways to use Artisan Enhancements Pearl Plaster, and here we're going to use it as a tint with DIY paint making powders. It's usually a 3-to-1 ratio, but these powders are so intense you need less, and they make a beautiful pastel color. Here we've used date night, and look at the difference. Be sure and watch this video to the end so we can link you up to the last video we did on the making powders. And here are all of the flowers that we're going to use on the Goddess of Spring. These are so easy to paint, and the cleanup is a breeze. It's water-based. Just wash your brush out when you're through. Artisan Enhancement products are biosustainable, eco-friendly, and will bring your piece to the designer level. That's what it's made for. Enhancement. And it is a perfect marriage with the DIY clay-based paint because it has no additives or binders and works very well with Artisan Enhancements. The large rose we're painting is going to go on the jewel box. We are going to apply Artisan Enhancements leaf in full size to our little jewel box and the rose on top. You apply a thin coat. It goes on a little milky, but it will dry clear. And then you have to wait about 45 minutes for it to become tacky so that you can apply the foil. In the areas that I have puddles of the white showing, I am spreading that out because it is too thick, and you would not want to leave it like that. Applying the Artisan Enhancement silver foil is so easy. You lay it shiny side up, and I'm just using a little scrub brush, and wherever we applied the leaf in full size and it's tacky, the foil will adhere to it. You can apply as much as you like or have it distressed. You can also apply the Pearl Plaster full strength or as a wash. In our jewel box, we first painted it in DIY paint petticoat pink and then applied the Pearl Plaster full strength. Artisan Enhancements silver leaf is very bright, and we can tone back that color by adding the Pearl Plaster over the silver leaf full strength or as a wash. And here we're taking the rose and we're kicking back the silver to some degree by using the mixture we had when we painted the rose with the making powders. Here is the goddess of spring. We wanted her hidden behind these beautiful flowers. Everything is so pearlescent. In some areas, we use the pearl plaster as a wash by adding some water and then wiping it back. We hope these techniques have inspired you and you come up with different ways to use them.
We've had so much fun. Hope you have too. Isn't she pretty? See you in the next video. Bye.